Bitcoin offers money-making opportunities for people with an entrepreneurial spirit. This digital asset makes starting an online business faster and easier than ever before. Hello and welcome to my channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel and press the notification bell icon. In this video I will show you more detail about the 6 best ways to earn free bitcoins in 2020. If you want to know how to earn Bitcoin fast, let's explore the Bitcoin earning tricks and the most profitable ways to earn free Bitcoin in 2020. 1. Writing and research infoproducts. If you are decent at writing and researching, then these skills can help you earn Bitcoin. There are a lot of Bitcoin-related websites or other types of Bitcoin businesses that need content written for various purposes. Sites, blogs, use for marketing purposes, sell to others. These businesses are willing to pay good money for someone else to write it for them. Moreover, they own Bitcoin and will be willing to pay you with it in exchange for your writing services. So, you can offer up your services on platforms like BitGigs and Coinality, and ask them to pay you in Bitcoin. 2. Microtasks. This is the easiest methods for how to earn bitcoins fast by only investing your time. All you have to do is do small tasks and earn small fractions of BTC for the time you spend. There are many websites that allow you to earn free bitcoins in exchange for some of completing various tasks. The tasks you have to do to earn free bitcoins varies from site to site, and some common tasks include watching promo videos, filling survey forms and playing games. And the latest method to earn Bitcoin is to test applications on phones and tablets. 3. Donations. To earn Bitcoin instantly via donation, you have to work hard for it. You can create a website and ask for Bitcoin donations on your website through a wallet address and QR code. Did you know BitPay helps your organization accept blockchain donations? And BitcoinApro.com is a blockchain community-funded project that accepts the donation. This donation is used further to improve the website and spreads cryptocurrency awareness towards future financial independence. 4. Salary. You can work for a company that pays directly to Bitcoin. For example, if can freelance for a cryptocurrency business that has a reputation of a reliable service provider in order to get paid in Bitcoin. Moreover, if you want, you might ask your employer to pay a part of your wages or salary in Bitcoin. After all, Bitcoin multiplies tenfold in value. So, more Bitcoins means more value, and it's better than those 10 cents of Bitcoin you've earned from a game. Likewise, companies like Bitwich, a Bitcoin payroll company, has been delivering Bitcoin salaries to thousands of people since 2014, might truly help an enthusiast earn free Bitcoins. 5. Selling products and services. Selling products and services is one of the best ways to earn free Bitcoins. You can make money selling any type of product or service, and accepting Bitcoin as a payment method. Many online retailers are now taking Bitcoin as one of their payment options. Further, there are sites like Bitify.com and Purse.io out there where you can specifically sell things in exchange for Bitcoin. 6. Get tipped. You can earn Bitcoins as tips by accepting it as a means of payment. All you need is a wallet, a QR code with your BTC address on it, and the people who could give you a tip need to be aware of it. For tips, you can display QR code in your shop for tipping or display the QR code at the bottom of your website or blog. Bit4Tip or BC Tip is another way to get tipped online. These sites offer little paper vouchers with the Bitcoin balance to its customers. Customers, in return, can simply give it to you or your employees, or can redeem it like a coupon. This explains how to earn Bitcoins for visiting free websites. So, what are you waiting for? Earn extra income by investing your time and skill in Bitcoin. Finally, it's up to you to find the right way for you to cash in on the Bitcoin craze. Do you want to know further about Bitcoin? Please don't forget subscribe to my channel, and if you have any ambiguity, please let us know in comment section. And I hope you guys found this video very valuable, and if you have any opinions, please leave your opinion in the comment box below. You enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to click bell icon to be notified when new videos are uploaded. Hope to see you next video.